In today's video, we will do a shocking analysis for tea and coffee lovers. So, if you are a great coffee drinker, a coffee lover, and often tell your friends, let's meet at a coffee shop today, then you shouldn't miss today's video. You must have noticed that hospitality in our country starts with two things. When you meet someone, you ask only two things, tea or coffee. When a guest comes to your house, you ask them the same question, would you like coffee or tea? Similarly, when you go out to meet someone where you don't want to eat but just want to chat for a while, people often go to coffee shops to meet and drink coffee. In our country, there are long discussion on tea and coffee. One belief among people is that drinking coffee reduces the risk of heart-related disease because different studies keep coming at different times. They keep telling different things. Many people drink coffee because they feel that their laziness, their lethargy, they are feeling right now will be completely cured after drinking coffee. The sleeplessness they are feeling will go away completely. Will they feel fresh and then they will be able to work with new energy. So let's talk about the benefits of drinking coffee. Coffee has been everyone's favorite drink because it has the ability to increase your energy levels and improve your attention. The reality is that many people becomes dependent on coffee as soon as they wake up in the morning. Coffee not only improves your brain and focus, but it also provides many health benefits. But as the saying goes, every coin has two sides. The same is true for coffee. Coffee has both disadvantages and advantages, which you may have never heard of. In this video, I am going to tell you detailed information about the benefits of drinking coffee. First benefit is coffee boosts energy levels. Coffee contains a very important component and that's one other than caffeine. Caffeine is a central nervous system stimulant that increases energy levels in our bodies. It's also very helpful in fighting fatigue. According to research, coffee has many other benefits including improving our mood and memory. Second benefit is coffee activates the mind. Coffee contains a high amount of caffeine, a component of coffee that activates and stimulates our body and mind. It helps improve certain cognitive functions and your memory. Caffeine also helps us stay focused, energetic, and alert. Third benefit of coffee is coffee helps prevent headaches. Caffeine is a natural vasodilator, which means it helps lower blood pressure by preventing the muscles in your veins from the tightening and narrowing. People who suffer from headache may benefit from coffee, especially if they add a little milk. It's important not to overdo it. Fourth benefit is coffee reduces diabetes complications. Along with regular exercise and a healthy diet, coffee may help reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. However, if you already have diabetes, caffeine effect on insulin action may be associated with high or low blood sugar levels. The caffeine in our coffee may help reduce your risk of developing diabetes. Fifth benefit is coffee reduces complications of gallstones. Drinking coffee may reduce the risk of developing gallstones later in life. According to research, drinking at least 6 cups of coffee daily reduces the risk of symptomatic gallstones by 23% compared to not drinking any coffee at all. However, because coffee stimulates the gallbladder, you should avoid drinking coffee if you currently have gallstones. Sixth benefit is coffee reduces the risk of cancer. Several components in coffee may benefit your health. A recent study found that these components inhibit the growth of prostate and kidney cancer cells. That said, there growing evidence that drinking coffee may reduces your risk of various cancers, including colorectal, liver, breast, prostate, and possibly endometrial cancer. Seventh benefit is increases calorie burns. One study found that 100 milligram of caffeine increased volunteers' resting metabolic rate by 3 to 4%. These results were confirmed by another study, which found that after drinking coffee, the metabolic rate increased practically suddenly and remained there for up to 3 hours. This not only boosts metabolism but also increases energy levels and improves mental alertness. Furthermore, the antioxidants in coffee help the body fight free radicals, providing long-term health benefits. Yet benefit is improves cognitive functions such as thinking, understanding, learning, and alertness. According to some scientific research, coffee may help protect your long-term cognitive health. This includes your memory and attention span. Coffee may also reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Drinking coffee may also improve your irregular menstrual cycle, which is important for long-term health. These were the important benefits of drinking coffee. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it like. If you are new to the channel and watching it for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, thanks.